researchers recorded that a certain bacteria population declined from 700 bacteria to 630 bacteria in 13 hours from the start of the experiment. At this rate of decay, how many bacteria will there be after 19 hours from the start of the experiment? So this question is kind of different because we don't know what K is. They say at this rate of decay, but they don't actually tell you what the rate of decay is. So this is going to be this case here where K is not known. And in this case we use K is equal to ln of A over A0 all over T, where A, A0, and T are from the known time frame. Then we use this to find the unknown A. So these questions have two parts. So step one is we need to find K. And then step two is we need to use K to find A after, and this question is asking after 19 hours. So the first step is to find K. So I don't know what it is, and I know that from the known time frame, A is equal to 630, and it started out as 700. So I'm looking at the known time frame here, and that was over 13 hours. So T is equal to 13. So K is equal to ln of 630 over 700 all over 13. And if we can reduce that 630 over 700, we should try. So that equals 9 over 10. So I'm going to move this up here, and K is equal to ln of 9 over 10 all over 13. So now I want to use K to find A after 19 hours. So I don't know what A is. My initial value is still the same. So my initial size of my population is still that 700 from the beginning. My K is ln of 9 over 10 all over 13. And I don't want to round that to the decimal. I want to leave that as it is. And T is equal to 19. So A is going to be equal to 700 times E, and it's going to be a big exponent. It's going to be ln of 9 over 10 over 13 times 19. So if you type that into your calculator, then you should get 600 bacteria. This answer should make some kind of sense because we're starting out with 700 bacteria, and after 13 hours it was 630 bacteria. So after 19 hours it should be something less than 630, and 600 is less than 630. So that does make kind of sense. If you have the older version of the calculator, then you'll have to type it in like this. And that should get you the 600.